This is a union. Although there's no marking.
All sorts of gadgets.
I hear a song in this.
You're always singing songs.
Look for the union label.
I'm recording.
No, you're not.
Yes,
But
I am.
union-
Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to be checking out my friend David's shop. He was the one that was just singing. So he had watched the shop tour I did of my buddy Eric's shop, and he said, why don't you come out to Ohio? You can tour my shop. And then he also planned a ton of other things, and I have multiple videos coming out about that entire weekend. It was probably one of the best times that I've had. I mean, it was just awesome. We went to different flea markets. We got to see different people's shops. I got to meet some of my friends from Facebook. I mean, it was really neat. So his shop, sorry, I digressed a little bit. His shop is located in a 2-car garage. It only has one outlet. So think about that, because I know that I use outlets in my shop a lot, but he does a lot of things via hand tools. I also really like how he organized everything. He has a lot of tools packed into the shop, but I think it looks very neat. He did say that he cleaned up a little bit before I got there because he knew that it was going to be on camera. Now, this plane right here, this is called a mother plane, and I have a separate video about it if you want to know basically what a mother plane is. Here's a saw collection, which I love. The other thing I want to point out about his shop is he has multiple items that aren't tool related. They're just sentimental items to him, whether they were gifted to him from a friend or he found them on a cool trip or something. So he made it a point to make room for those items in his shop, which I really like. I think a lot of the times when we think of our shops, we think just tools, but he went a step farther and made it more meaningful, I guess I would say, is having those good memory items around. Now, this is his tool chest, and I think he did a phenomenal job building this. He organized it very well. As you can see, he probably has more things to add to it because if you're anything like us, we are constantly acquiring tools. But I think he did a great job on this tool chest. I love the tools that he has in there because he has some really collectible items, and they were just neat to see because they were things I hadn't seen in person before. So this wall of his shop I thought was really cool because it kind of divided the garage into two, as he has his work area and then he has, like, I guess the general storage of the garage. So I love that this is kind of like a partition right there, and he organized it very well. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. If you want me to tour your shop, feel free to reach out to me and we can see if we can make it happen. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day.